the high pass sharpening action. First thing, make sure you've finished doing everything you need to do to the image, and then make a background copy. Drag it into the plus icon. Make sure the background copy is activated. Go to the Actions palette. Select the high pass sharpening. If you just want a quick fix, just click play. If you want a little bit more control, put stops in those two positions there, then click play. And it will stop. You can see it's set on 4 pixels, so you can see the effect of reducing. Usually the pixels are reckoned to be best between 1 and 5. Sharpen the edges, you can see. So we put it on 5, it's sharpening quite a lot, so we don't, that's over sharpening, so we'll put it on 1.8. that should be okay. Click OK, and it will then ask for the blending mode. By default it does soft light, which is in my view the best. You could change it to hard light, which tends to highlight any noise, that sort of thing. So I find soft light works quite well. So adjust your mode and click OK, and it'll run through. If you then go to the Layers palette, you'll see that you've got the Smart filter on the background copy, and if you wanted to change it, you double click High Pass, and you can then change the radius if you so wish. Click OK. Similarly, if you wanted to change the blending mode, you double click right hand side, you could change it there. Okay. Finally, if you want to fine tune the effect, if you reduce the opacity of the layer, you can reduce the amount of sharpening till it looks the way you want it. With sharpening, little is good. What you don't want is for the image to look obviously sharpened with lots of noise in various places of even tone, usually like in the sky, or in this case in the even tones of the blues and other colours. So it's best to keep your sharpening to a minimum.